Hi Aries, the card of the week for you is the Death, and this week you guys will be going through a spiritual transformation. Something might have ended in your life. It could be your relationship, something related to your work, your career. Something will end or might have ended, and you guys need to let go of those things, because when something ends, a new beginning starts. So this week you guys will be going through a transformation, a major transformation, and it might be very difficult and painful, but instead try to embrace the change as a fresh start. So try to be stay positive this week, because you guys are going through a transformation, and it may be a sudden change, or sudden unexpected something which you were not expecting, and something might have happened in your relation or your career, but you guys need to let go of those things and those endings and start a new beginning. So thank you, Aries. Hi Leo, so the card of the week for you is the Ten of Wands, and this week you guys will be very overburdened, overloaded with responsibilities and stress. So, and you guys might be also feeling like taken for granted, and some situation might get delayed. So this type of energies I'm seeing for you, Leo, for this week. And also you guys will be feeling very like struggled and major challenges on your way, and maybe many of you will lose your focus. But Leo, try to be don't overburden yourself because of any situation of your life. And as you all know that energies are temporary, so this whatever this negative energy or whatever the stress or burden you guys will be having this week, these energies will also go away with the time. So let this week pass, and new week will bring new energies. And try to be stay positive, and not to take too much of stress on yourself, and just focus on yourself rather than on your problems. So thank you, Leo. Hi Sagittarius, I'm sorry I had to cut it. So hi Sagittarius, the card of the week for you is the Three of Swords, and this week I see you guys will be feeling heartbroken, lonely and sad. Some kind of separation might have happened in your any situation of your life, maybe your relationship or maybe your friendship. You guys are upset, and maybe some kind of loss or misunderstanding. Like overall, you all are like heartbroken. So Sagittarius, try to give yourself space and time to heal and learn all you can, like from your experience. And if you need support, don't be afraid to reach out to the people that love you. And but like don't feel too much of stress, and don't feel so heartbroken. Just talk to someone if you need to, and try to relax yourself. So thank you, Sagittarius. Hi Aquarius, so the card of the week for you is the Queen of Swords, and this week you guys will be feeling loved, sensitive, kind, happy, loyal, romantic, and you guys will be caring a lot for your loved ones, supporting them. And I also see that many of you will daydream, and will be doing big imaginations. So this is all I'm seeing for you, Aquarius, for this week. All you are doing is just self-loving yourself, focusing on yourself, caring yourself, and you guys are feeling loved, whether in your relationship or in your health. Everything is fine, and even your career is looking good, like everything is like fulfilled, your emotions as well as material needs. So this is all I'm seeing for your Aquarius for this week, and I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. So thank you. Hi Gemini, the card of the week for you is the Three of Wands, and this week I see many of you will travel and you guys will be in your self-confidence, and I also see freedom, success, happy with your choices, and your hard work is paying off, and you guys experiencing your life and spreading your wings, lot of adventures. I also see some travel romance or long distance. I also see growth in your material needs, and mostly I see travel for you guys, and yes, hard works are paying off, success and being happy with your choices or the other outcome of your situation, like any situation. And if I talk about your love relationship, I do see that things are moving forward, and you're happy in your relationships, and all I see happiness, traveling, work is fine. Like you may travel maybe because of work. This is what I see for you Gemini, like you guys are like enjoying this week, and all your hard works are paying off. So yes, thank you Gemini, and good luck. Hi Libra, so the card of the week for you is the High Priestess, and this week I see you guys are more listening to your intuitions, and you guys are in your higher power and would be feeling very creative. And I also see that that you guys need to pay attention to your dreams and the signs and symbols that the universe is sending you, and listen to your intuition more this week. And if for your love and relationship, I do see that you guys are becoming very attractive if you are a female, and yes, and related to your money and career, I do see that you may soon become aware of information or an opportunity that will be benefit to you, and you guys will be feeling very creative and inspired this week in your career. So this is what I have for you Libra. So good luck and enjoy this week. Hi Cancer, so the card of the week for you is the Knight of Pentacles, and I see that this week you guys are being very patient, practical, loyal, responsible, hard worker, also stubborn. You guys are making your dream or wishes come true. True. And I also see that this week you guys are using your common sense, responsibility, practicality, working hard for what you want and finishing what you start. And this card is a wish card that also signifies that you guys will be achieving your wishes or dreams through your determinations. So this is what I see for you Cancer for this week. All I see is you guys are working hard and feeling ambitious and being very patient and loyal and stable and reliable. Also regarding to your love life, also you guys are being very you guys want a solid and stable committed relationship, and you are like more focused on attaining a comfortable lifestyle, and that will work very hard to achieve your whatever you want in your love life. So yes Cancer, even your career is also I'm seeing it's looking good, as I told you that you guys are like more focused on your career this week. You guys are working hard. So this is what I'm saying for you Cancer, so enjoy this week. Hi Scorpio, so the card of the week for you is the Six of Cups, and I do see that your past person may return back to your life. Maybe it could be your ex, your old friend, or any childhood friend, and also you guys will be feeling very nostalgic and homesick. I also see that many of you will miss your childhood memories, and I also see kindness, playfulness. So this week I do see some kind of reunion also. So it's a very positive week for you, Scorpios, and good luck with your old friend and any past person, whoever is coming back to your life, or maybe some kind of reunion, some kind of sharing gifts, or just a playful and childness energies I see for you, Scorpio. So yeah, thank you. Hi Pisces, so the card of the week for you is the Four of Wands, and this week I see some kind of reunion is happening, and celebration, surprises, parties, weddings, events, and you guys will be feeling welcomed, and some kind of success and stability, security, self-esteem, being proud of achievements. This is what I see for you, Pisces, this week. And in terms of your love and relationship, I see it's a great card to get in the tarot, and there's success, stability, security, and everything in your relationship I see. And I also see for your money and career that things should be going well in your work environment at the moment, and everything is like pleasant and like balanced, peace. So this is what I see for you, Pisces, for this week. So enjoy and have a great week ahead. Thank you. Hi Taurus, so the card of the week for you is the Ten of Cups, and I see this week you guys will be very happy families, reunions, homecoming, and family gathering. Maybe I don't know how it will happen in this COVID, but um, let's see. It's a general reading, so let's see. Okay, so what I was saying that also I see that you guys will be feeling very cared, and you guys will be caring for your loved ones. I also see fun and play, creativity, good luck, well-being, blessings, all the positive things for you, Taurus, this week. Whether it's about your love life or your career, everything will be so good and so positive and so like happiness all over around you, that you guys will be feeling like so positive this week. So this is what I see for you, Taurus, and good luck and enjoy your week. Thank you. Hi Virgo, so the card of the week for you is the Lovers, and this week I see for you guys that love, soulmates, partnerships, perfect unions, and lots of harmony, love and attractions. And this card also represents like finding the balance within oneself. So you are learning to understand yourself, your own personal moral code, and what you value in life, and this will bring harmony and balance in your life. So this is what I'm saying for you, Virgo. And also you may be feeling uncertain about situations or people in your life, or what direction you should take. So these are important decisions that you might face with regarding to your any situation. So you guys need to also make some major choices this week. So yes, Virgo, enjoy the week, and thank you. Hi Capricorn, so the card of the week for you is the Chariot, and this week I see that you guys are having victory, success, and overcoming obstacles. You guys are in your control and self-discipline, and you guys are working hard and focused. I also see that you guys will be feeling motivated and in your control again. So now is the time to go for what you really want, because you guys will be working so hard and so focused that there are chances that you can achieve them. And I also see that you may be, acting very aggressively to hide that you are feeling emotionally vulnerable, and you may feel like you are in a battle at the moment, but don't worry, if you maintain your focus you will be successful. So try to balance, between the heart and mind, and put any worries aside and maintain your focus this week. So thank you, Capricorn. This is all I have for you. Enjoy your week.